Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're re-diving into a topic I am really passionate about: the incredible beauty of wearing minimal makeup. Now, don't get me wrong, I love a full glam moment as much as the next person, but there's something so powerful and freeing about embracing a more natural look. Over the years, I've discovered that less truly can be more. And I want to share how this approach has not only simplified my routine, but also genuinely improved my skin and my confidence. First off, let's talk about skin health. One of the biggest advantages of wearing less makeup is letting your skin breathe. Heavy foundations and layers of product can clog your pores, which can lead to breakouts, blackheads, and overall skin congestion. When you scale back, you reduce the chances of irritation and give your skin the space it needs to function naturally. I noticed a huge difference in the clarity and texture of my skin when I stopped caking on foundation every day. My skin became less oily and those pesky little bumps started to disappear. It's like giving your skin a vacation, and who doesn't love that? Another amazing benefit is how much time you save. Think about your morning routine. How much of it is dedicated to blending, contouring, and setting your makeup? For me, it used to be a significant chunk of my morning. By switching to a minimal routine, maybe just a bit of concealer, some brow gel, mascara, and a tinted lip balm, I've reclaimed so much time. Those extra minutes can be spent sleeping in, enjoying a cup of coffee, or doing a quick morning stretch. It simplifies your life in a way that feels incredibly liberating. Plus, touch-ups throughout the day become a thing of the past. Your makeup is so light and natural that it just wears gracefully. Now, let's get into the financial side of things. High-quality makeup can be expensive. When you're constantly buying a dozen different products for a full-face look, the costs add up quickly. A minimalist approach means you're investing in a few key high-quality staples rather than a whole arsenal of products you might not even use regularly. You'll find that your products last longer, and your bank account will definitely thank you. It encourages you to be more intentional with your purchases, focusing on multi-purpose items that truly work for you, like a cream blush that can also be used on your lips. But perhaps the most profound benefit is the boost in self-confidence. When you regularly wear less makeup, you become more comfortable and familiar with your own face, your real face. You start to appreciate your unique features, the little freckles, the texture of your skin. It's a journey of self-acceptance. Society often pressures us to cover up and perfect ourselves, but there is so much beauty in authenticity. Relying less on makeup to feel beautiful helps you build an inner confidence that is undependent on external products. You learn that your beauty shines from within, and makeup becomes a fun accessory rather than a necessary shield. So, how do you start? You don't have to go completely barefaced overnight. Begin by swapping out your heavy foundation for a tinted moisturizer or a BB cream. Try going without eyeliner for a day and just using mascara to open up your eyes. Focus on skincare first and foremost. When your skin is healthy and glowing, you'll feel less of a need to cover it up. Find a great cleanser, a hydrating moisturizer, and, most importantly, a sunscreen you love to wear every single day. Healthy skin is the best foundation you can ever have. It's all about taking small steps toward a look that feels both beautiful and authentically you. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and talking about the beauty of minimalism. I hope this inspires you to try a more natural look and see how it makes you feel. What are your favorite minimal makeup products? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you in the next one.